Hi, I'm Brian Farmer. I'm going to be setting up a secondary infusion, IV Piggyback, for Professor Brooks on video. So our order, right now we have a primary infusion going. It's normal saline at 100 milliliters an hour. It's already infusing. Our line is already good. We have our patient right here. The medical record number and everything's been entered into the pump, so that's all dialed up, ready to go. We now have an order for antibiotic cefazolin, 2 grams and 100 mLs at 100 milliliters an hour. So I've now gone to the med room, gotten my medication. I've done my first 2 checks. I have it right here. I have cefazolin, 2,000 milligrams, 2 grams in 100 mLs of normal saline. So I'm gonna, since it's already open, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. It would obviously already be open if it was the real thing, but since we're working in the lab, it's just how things are sometimes. I'm opening up now my infusion set for my secondary. I'm going to go ahead and close the roller clamp just to be safe. We have our hanger here. We can go ahead and put that up as well. Why not? Okay, we'll just leave it there for now. So here's our medication. We have a sterile spike. We can go ahead and remove this and very carefully insert the spike into the bag without letting it touch anything else. So now we've spiked our bag. We could have removed this earlier, but that's okay. This can be removed. We now have our tubing ready, and our bag. So we'll go ahead and hang that and that. And what we'll do now is we'll grab our alcohol prep. This is still covered, and the proximal port of our infusion, our primary infusion, we're going to go ahead and hook it up to there. Clean the port for 15-30 seconds. Make sure it's nice and clean. Hold the port. We can take this part off and twist it in. And now we're hooked up there. And now we can back prime our line. This is already infusing. We got good drips. So I hold this at a lower spot so gravity can do its work. Open this up and slowly let it fill up to about halfway into the drip chamber, the fluid. Good. About like that. This will be up high, and then this can be hung lower. Okay. So now we're going to actually program the secondary infusion into the pump. So we'll go to channel select, secondary, go down to cefazolin, right? Yep, cefazolin. I think it's one of the first ones. Let's just do, there it is. Cefazolin. We are going to have 2 grams in 100 mLs. That is our concentration. So that, yes, that's correct. That is the correct concentration. This is just confirming. We have 2 grams, 100 mLs, dose 2 grams, concentration. Next. Rate is going to be, our ordered rate is actually 100 mLs an hour. So we're going to go ahead and change that to 100. Good. And our volume to be infused is 100. That's correct. It's going to go over an hour. Dose is 2 grams. So it looks like everything on here is correct. So we can go ahead and hit start and prepare to open up our tubing. So up here, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and open up the tubing, and I'm going to look for signs that it's infusing, looking for drips in that chamber. Is it going? second now. It says the volume's... Oh, there it goes. Okay, finally. It's a slow infusion, so we had to wait a little bit to get our drops. That awkward moment where you're waiting for it to work. Alright. Well, we've got that going. We can look for any signs of issues at our IV site. But I think we're good. That's how you set it up. And I think that's it. So thank you for watching.